How to fix your Fortnite from crashing again and again in Windows 11. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can prevent your Fortnite from getting crashed repetitively, and also if there are any errors within your Fortnite file. So let me show you how you can do this. So the first thing that we're going to do is quite very easy. All we're going to do is go to our taskbar and simply search for Fortnite. Now here you can see we are here in the Fortnite application, as we can see right here. So from this particular menu bar, all you'll need to do is click onto this app settings. Now this will save us a ton of time, and instead of going to the apps and then navigating to Fortnite, it has directly landed us to the required page. Now from this particular section, you can see this option that says background app permissions. So this is let this app run in background. So sometimes between any particular sessions, or while you have put it or into minimization and you try to reload it again, it does not appears or crashes. So you can keep it to always. So this will ensure that the app always runs in background and does not crashes. Now, apart from that, you also have this particular option that says if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. So if you are not sure, or if you think that the file integrity is not currently active and you might be missing some files, you can also click onto this repair option and it will try to repair the files. Although the chances of that are very few, but it might do the job. And apart from that, you can also click onto this reset button as well. The app's data will be deleted, so you will need to log in again, but hopefully this could also resolve your issue as well. If none of the things work, simply click onto this uninstall button and try reinstalling it in your Windows 11, and hopefully that will work. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.